Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have already seen pretty much how I melted the lace, as people say, with the Got2B gel. Okay, so I know a lot of people, some people don't like the Got2B gel, some people do like the Got2B gel. I just think the reason why I've been kind of focusing on these type of tutorials because I feel like the Got2B gel is user friendly, and it also is really good for first time wig wearers. I just feel like although glue is okay and you do sometimes get a stronger hold depending on your body type, most of the time you'll get a stronger hold with glue, but I just feel like it's kind of like a hassle to kind of take the glue off. You know, at least for, in my opinion, some people find it easy to get it off of their hairline and their lace, but I just feel like it's just somewhat of a hassle. Okay, but yeah, if you are the type of person who do not want to wear your wigs continuously, like for a long period of time, I think the Got2B glue is a good thing for you because it allows you to switch up your styles, and also it's just a little bit easier on the edges, in my opinion. Okay, but anyways, I really hope, with all that being said, I really hope that this tutorial helped you all, because even though I do have some videos like this, I still get questions about, like, you know, how do you get the Got2B to work for you? You know, I'm tired of glue girl, how do I get this Got2B to work for me? So like I said, hopefully that helped. Let's get right into the specs of this hair. Now, I didn't make this unit, it did not come to me. I'm gonna have to start saying that in some of my videos, because some people, they think that the wigs are already, they already come made like that and stuff. But anyways, I made this wig myself, and it does come from a company, I'm looking at my phone, it comes from a company by the name of West Kids Hair Company. The texture is deep wave. Okay, so this is what the wave looks like, manipulated and everything like that. I did do my wet look method. I have a video on that also. And basically, I just used some Eco Styler gel, this gel, okay? And all this will be in the description box. Eco Styler gel, this gel right here, and also some, my spray bottle. Sorry, I don't have everything. My spray bottle, and you can just add water in there, and you too can get the wet look, and you just brush your hair out. And you can also add some serum to the hair to give it a nice little shine, little sheen, and things like that. Okay, so anyways, yes, it is deep wave. So the length that I have are a 20-inch bundle and two 22-inch bundles. I'm sorry, I'm getting all tongue twisted or whatever. So anyway, 3 bundles in a 18-inch frontal. Okay, I did customize the frontal, and I did kind of show you guys how I went about doing that. Also, I did not use all 3 of the bundles. I only used like a little bit of the 3rd bundle. So this style could definitely be achieved with just 2 bundles in a closure. Just make sure if you're getting longer lengths, you try to get 3 bundles, because you don't want your hair to be thin or anything like that. Okay, but if you're getting shorter lengths, you can definitely get away with 2 bundles in a frontal. Okay, but I have reviewed this company quite a few times, and I have been having a good experience with them. If I remember, I'll link them down below, the other like reviews that I have did for them. But they are running a few sales, so click the links down below to check them out and just, you know, see what they got going on over there. If you've ever purchased from them, let me know. Do you like this hair? Would you think about getting this hair? Y'all know Valentine's Day coming up, girl. We want to look sexy for your man or whatever. I think this is the most sexiest hair ever. I always said about wavy hair because I just think it looks great. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to drag this on any longer. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all in my next video.